Yeah, what's up, YouTube? So the saga continues. Got to change his broken axle. Seen from my last video, which was not clickbait. It really wasn't clickbait. I broke my axle. I'm changing it right now. So calm down, people. It's like 12 hours later. My boys came through with the axle. Yeah, I'm a real guy working in the street. I don't got no garage or nothing. Probably gonna get hit by a car with these animals in New York, and they run you right over. But stay tuned. Little update. Gonna get these axles in. We're gonna do the American Muscle Show. Next week I'll be at ACO. Definitely making hits. Hopefully I have some real axles in by then. Stay tuned, YouTube. Thank you for watching. Finally took the wheel off. We're gonna call this ghetto mechanics, you know, because we're working in the street. But that's what we're working with right now here, boys and girls, whatever you want to be. I know everything's different nowadays. You gotta watch what you say, but a vagina is a vagina and a penis is a penis. There we go. That's how you send that shit off the transbrake. The bullshit continues. New axles in. Thank God my boy Nick hooked me up. Thank you, Nick. I appreciate it. Nick's the man. That's my neighbor Phil. He's been giving me a hand. He sees me out here sweating like a pig. See, he's lucky. He's got his bathing suit on. He's a small guy. I'm not, obviously. But look at this. That's a working man. You see, I work on my own car. For the most part, anyway. Not all the time. But that's what you got to do. Got to get the car up and running. I'm actually, I'm going to switch over wheels too today. I'll show you in a little bit. But this job really isn't that bad. You could definitely do it with the track with basic hand tools. The Loctite Ford uses is insane. Yeah, I know I'm ghetto. I just left the caliper hanging. But it's overall, it's not a bad job. But this is not a click. That last video I posted was not clickbait. This is what happened. But big shout out for Phil. Give me a hand. Look at those gloves. Those shits are thick. Hazmat, baby. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this as a 6. Because you might have to get that 32mm axle nut, and Ford's Loctite is hardcore. Man, everything was like tight. I just put everything back together. I'm not going crazy with it right now and putting all my other suspension parts in because I'm gonna have to get axles sometime this week. I gotta figure out who I'm gonna order them from. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna wait till after the American Muscle Show. But this is what the axle looks like. My hands are dirty. Of course I cut myself as always. That's what happens when you're large and in charge. You damage yourself. Your hands are big. It's big damage, but stay tuned. I'm gonna keep just sending the car. More shit's gonna break. No clickbait. My tires are on. And we're rolling. Keep those prices rolling. What was that, Walmart's old thing? Oh, it's so nice. I haven't drove you in about 12 hours. She's such a good girl, this car. And I beat her so bad. I beat her like a redheaded stepchild. Well, that's the end of the video. Axles changed. I don't know, it took me about, say like an hour and 10 minutes. I didn't take the whole thing apart like all the videos I've seen. But this is from yesterday. I broke it off the transbrake, which I will attempt to use that transbrake next week if I can grab some axles by then. If not, peace out. I don't know what my next video is going to be. Thank you guys for watching.